Well, I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to take part in the Visit a Heat Pump scheme because I'd heard about it online. It's a scheme where you can come and visit people's homes who are actually living with the technology. I'd like to reassure them. There's always the negative articles online and will the heat pump work? Will it be a big deal? Will I regret fitting it? Running heat pumps, they really do work. They're amazing. The process of installing the heat pump at the property was pretty straightforward from my point of view. The heat pump itself went in a few days. Financially, there were grants. We've saved a lot of money. So I'm really happy that the Visit Heat Pump scheme exists and I want to contribute to it. I want people to understand that you don't have to burn fossil fuels to heat your home. You can do it just from the air outside, which is incredible. It's not a miracle, it's just physics. Just go for it. You won't regret it.